Brothers, buckle up because I'm about to drill into your core how to become that guy. We're going step by step and we're not taking prisoners. Step 1. You want to be that guy? Start by owning the room. Strut with unshakable confidence. Look people in the eye and speak with authority. No room for self-doubt here. Step 2. Forget about pretending to be someone you're not. Authenticity is your weapon. People can smell fakeness from a mile away. Be real or be forgotten. Step 3. That guy doesn't blend into the background. He commands attention. Develop your charisma, hone your storytelling skills, crack jokes that land, and charm the pants off everyone you meet. Step 4. You want to be that guy? Then start building your empire. Forge connections, make allies, and turn your network into a force to be reckoned with. It's not about who you know, it's about who owes you. Step 5. Leaders aren't born, they're made. Take charge, make tough decisions, and show the world what you're made of. That guy doesn't follow, he leads. Step 6. Life throws punches, but that guy keeps on swinging. Maintain a positive mindset no matter what. Your attitude is contagious. Make sure it's worth catching. Step 7. Complacency is the enemy of progress. Keep pushing yourself to be better, stronger, faster. That guy is a work in progress, always evolving, always hungry for more. Step 8. Treat others with respect, even when they don't deserve it. That guy knows that respect is earned, not given. Be the bigger person always. Step 9. Image matters. Dress like you mean business, sharp, sleek, and ready to conquer the world. That guy doesn't just look the part, he plays it to perfection. Step 10. Pride comes before the fall, they say. Stay humble, stay hungry, and never forget where you came from. That guy knows that success is fleeting. It's the hustle that keeps you on top. Follow these rules and you might just become that guy. The one everyone wants to know, emulate, and be. But remember, being that guy isn't for everyone. Are you ready to step up to the plate? I'll be back tomorrow, brothers. And when I return, we're hitting the ground running.